What's up, everyone? As always, DaviFX here, and as always, daily video analysis video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be looking at gold, the trade that we just took. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I think my mic's working. My bad. I don't want to mess it up like last time. So we're gonna look at gold trade, why we took this trade, and what I liked about it. And then we're gonna talk about US 100 trade that is running in profit. So as I talked about on Sunday analysis, if we're looking at gold, clearly see some bearish momentum building up, and we are looking at the weekly time frame at the moment. And what do we see is we see strong rejections to the zone. We have a zone right here. The price came up, showed the wick, and then a start of retracement or reversal, because this could be a potential double top on the weekly. As we can see, we have nice bearish momentum building up 1, 2, 3, 4 weekly bearish closures, also a bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. Now the other thing is we have some strong, very strong support and resistances. So this is one of them. Let me make this right here. And as you can see, we have this is weekly time frame, so we have multiple weeks of rejection, rejection, and rejection. We can move this a little bit lower to make it more precise. Right here, another support that we have here, and then here. So what happened last week? Weekly bearish engulfing candle closed below this support, which is now serving as resistance. And now we drop down to the 30-minute time frame. We can see that it was finally retested. And what I liked about it, it wasn't just a weekly retest of the zone, retest of the weekly zone, but also we have this trend line. Let me zoom out a little bit. We have 1, 2, and now 3 rejections, right? And what triggered my entry, it wasn't just a retest, it was also a fake out of this trend line. So as you can see, we have rejection here, fake out, and then boom, we close back below this trend line. That triggered my entry, and that's basically this, as simple as that. Now I'm gonna delete this, but we're still gonna have in mind this weekly zone. We do have a nice, very nice supply zone. So if this trade ends up stopping out, I'm still gonna use this supply probably to take a short trade if we have reversal patterns, and then we're gonna drive this price down to the next support that we have below. So we're gonna see if it's enough for the price to use this confirmation to go down, or if we're gonna go up to grab more liquidity, take the short position. But I really like lately, I'm starting to like how gold moves. It looks a bit cleaner than it was before, because it was very based on fundamentals a lot. And now I think it's starting to look better and cleaner. So that's basically what we're gonna do. We entered this trade, and not much later, I closed some partials, and this is why. So basically, we have a trend line that we broke above once again on the 5-minute time frame, and we had this 5-minute structure right here that was respected multiple times. Once here, twice here. It was respected. This was our resistance on the 5-minute time frame. And what happened was, on the 5-minute, we closed above. So every time the price goes against me and breaks multiple structures, against me, that's where I start to take partials. It's not like 75, it's not like 50, but sometimes it's like 10, 15, maybe 20% of the position. Now, if we have some more structure to the upside, such as like this, something like this, and the 5-minute candle breaks this structure, I'm closing more positions here, and so on and so on and so on. So eventually, if this trade gets stopped out, it's not going to be like 1% risk that I used. I would probably lose 0.5 or 0.7 or 0.4% of what I risked originally. So that's how I manage the risk. And to finish this video, we're gonna look at US 100 trade. Oh wow, nice push to the upside. We took this trade late in New York session yesterday, and it came up, came down, came up. Almost hit our TP2, came down once again, came up once again. I closed some partials here, but because I like this momentum that we had here, and this momentum was not. It was like, before London Open, anything could have happened. So I decided to close big partials somewhere around here, and I left the rest running. So it's looking really nice. It looks like our TP2 is gonna get hit. It's gonna be 3.26 risk to reward, and our final target is, I believe, 1 to 5. I would not be surprised if that ends up hitting as well. So that's what I have for today, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.